My name is Sydney. I live in Leduc with my mom, my dad, and my big brother. Leduc is an awesome place to live. My parents help to keep it that way with the property taxes they pay. Mom says that property taxes go to the obvious things and not so obvious. There's the library we visit on Saturdays. Mom says we'll be able to check out our own books when the expansion is done, and the cool new splash park we'll play at in the summer. In the winter, the city clears snow so that my parents can take us to school and go to work. We're even getting a new fire hall.
That's right.
My parents like living here because it's beautiful and it's really safe. Right, Dad?
Right, Sid. Leduc is a great place to live and raise a family. The city provides first-rate services while preserving that small-town feel. In the summer, we like to walk and bike. Leduc has 68 kilometers of scenic multi-use pathways. Those same paths are cleared for us to use in the winter. The Parks and Recreation Department maintains many sport fields, rinks, parks, and playgrounds to keep families moving. Telford Lake has become a year-round favorite, and the city has made a major investment in new and upgraded facilities for the 2016 Summer Games. Some of the funds go towards family and community support services. FCSS supports the well-being of the entire community, including families, individuals, seniors, and youth. And some of the funds are used to build exciting new projects with an excellence in design. At the core would be the ultra-modern Leduc Recreation Center. Maintenance and repair isn't as glamorous, but is equally as important. From pothole repair to an award-winning diversion and recycling program, the city ensures a high standard of living. Future plans include the expansion of blue bag and organic waste collection to multi-family residences and businesses. And the city works hard to ensure the safety of all of us by installing and maintaining numerous school flashing safety signs and roadway traffic signals. And knowing that getting home safely and on time is important, the city will be investing $10 million into roads and infrastructure this year alone. There's also a thriving arts and culture scene in Leduc, with several family and friends events throughout the year, including Canada Day celebrations, Party in Alexandra Park, a farmer's market, and Rock the Rails. So next time you're out, take a look around. You'll see your tax dollars at work in places you didn't even realize. With the city of Leduc growing so fast, you might wonder, how does the city decide where the funds go? It's a process, and the community is encouraged to get involved. After the last election, we were part of the Community Visioning event. This is where the city meets with residents for a full-day workshop to discuss and plan for the future of the city. It's a collaborative effort, and we were proud to have a hand in future planning. The city values the opinion of every member of the community. There's also a citizen satisfaction survey, which provides feedback and insight from the public on how the city is doing. And every year, there's a budget survey residents are invited to complete. The staff works hard to fulfill the vision of the community. After all, many of them call Leduc home too. The mission of the city of Leduc is to protect the unique environment of our area and enhance the quality of life in our community through effective, innovative, and responsible leadership and consultation. With input from you, we can maintain the close community feel and preserve what's most important for our families and generations to come. The City of Leduc's budget process ensures property taxes take care of today's needs while looking to the future. The City of Leduc. Be involved.